Hey guys, what's happening? How to easily transfer data between iPhones. So let's go with the fastest and easy method. You can just place both phones near each other and turn on the new one and follow the quick start prompts and then scan the animation and then boom, you're golden. The second thing that you can do, which I advise you to do, iCloud transfer. Go ahead to click your name at the top. Then go ahead to the iCloud. Make sure that you backed up your iCloud, right? Go ahead to the iCloud backup. Make sure that you turn it on, right? And backup now, right? Make sure that the last backup was today or yesterday, okay? If you store a lot of files or whatever, make sure it's today, right? Back up your old phone, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna log out or sign out from your Apple account, and then what you're gonna do, sign in on the new phone, and then you're gonna be able to restore your iCloud backup. Okay, so pro tip: keep both devices charged and connected to a Wi-Fi for smooth transfer. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.